Ever walked into a room and poof? Your brain just hit a factory reset. You're staring at the fridge, wondering if you've lost your mind. Relax, it's not dementia. You've just been hit by the doorway effect. Your brain is a high-performance machine, but it has a hardware limitation, the magical number 7. Every time you cross a threshold, your brain slams the old folder shut to make room for the new one. Your mission? It's been archived. But there's a way to hack this system and stop the memory eraser instantly. Check the full-length video for the answer.